Unlike anything else on the market, Ardent Concepts designed and developed a compression mount contact from a single wire form more than 14 years ago. This particular contact technology has been our legacy technology and worked to help launch the company to what it is known today. This contact family is known as the RC Spring Probe and comes in a variety of form factors and is capable of up to 70 GHz performance in certain configurations. The most recent innovation to come to our contact technology is the RC Conectr family of contacts. Also a true solderless, dual-sided compression technology, the RC Conectr contact set is built on the fundamentals of our legacy RC Spring Probe technology. However, the RC Conectr has been designed for high-volume solutions with cost-effectiveness in mind. These next animations depict the unique compression technology of the RC Spring Probe and the RC Conectr technology. As is visible here, the RC Spring Probe acts similarly to a compression spring in that when axial force is applied to the straight portions of the wire form, the coil in the center compresses similarly to a solid state of a compression spring. In addition to compressing the coils together, the unique angled features allow the coils to also wipe against each other. This wiping motion can aid in reducing debris and oxidation. The RC Conectr operates in a slightly different manner. The entire contact acts like a system of cantilevered beams. When axial compression is applied to either end of the contact, the horizontal beams deflect and compress. When the beams deflect, the lance that protrudes from the ends of the beams comes in contact with the lower beam. Again, we see a wiping motion occur at the contact point of the lance to beam. During the wiping motion, we also get a twisting motion at both ends of the contact. The twisting motion provides the added benefit of wiping the contact pad of the PCB and provides an oxidation scrubbing effect. The culmination of this unique single-element contact technology allows for a very short compressed contact. The short electric length allows for superb signal integrity performance. Along with having a very short electrical length, the shorting method of the contact compression technology produces a contact with low self-inductance, which is balanced by the dielectric values of the housings to produce an electric interconnect with controlled impedance of 50 ohms. Our dual-sided compression mount technology is at the core of all of our designs and brings many benefits to the test and measurement field. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for help solving your application challenges.